could stick shit together with an old machine. I don't know if you're anything like me, but when I first started looking at welding, I couldn't make bloody head or tail of what the hell people were trying to tell me. There's positive electrode, negative electrode, all sorts of crap, flux core wire, this, that, the other bloody thing. I wasn't interested in all this highfalutin bullshit crap that they try and tell you, or even sell you online that you don't need. All I wanted to do was figure out if I could actually stick some stuff together without it costing me a bloody fortune. I got 2 or 3 welders, well actually I think I've got 4 welders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I've got 4 welders. I brought this one online a few months back. It's about 170 bucks. But I don't even reckon you have to pay $170 if you're just trying to start welding. If we have a look at this thing here, it's got all sorts of features on it that you don't need. Especially if you don't know one end of welding from the other. Like when I first started, I just wanted to stick weld. So all I really needed to buy was a stick welder. Whereas this thing here is a 3-in-1. See, this machine here is set at arc welding. And if we go up, we can go to MIG welding. And then if we go down one more, we can go to TIG welding. Now this machine here is much the same as this machine. I think this machine was about 20 bucks cheaper. But once again, it does TIG, MIG and arc. Even when I started, this was too expensive for me. So what I ended up doing was buying one of these machines. Now this, my friends, is what they call a bloody old buzz box. Well, they do here in New Zealand anyway. The thing is probably older than I am. I'm about 55-ish. So this machine's probably older than that. It weighs half a bloody ton, my God, because it's got a big transformer in it. It hasn't got any of this modern technology. It's just one big transformer and about 4 wires. So basically, they never burn out. And if you see one of these, I actually bought this at a garage sale or a yard sale, whatever you want to call it. And I only paid $20 for it because it looked buggered really. But there's a really easy way to test the old welders like this. All you got to do is just plug it in and turn it on. And if you hear this noise, can you hear that buzzing noise? That's why they call them a buzz box, because all they do is go brrrr. So if you find one at a garage sale and it's making that noise, it's not buggered, and chances are it'll probably go for another 150 bloody years. If we just pull it to bits, you'll be able to see what I mean. There's nothing in here that's going to bloody break down unless the transformer burns out. Check it out, my friends. We've just got one big transformer, the off-on switch, this handle here just screws in and out to change the amperage. We've got an earth cable, and then we've got your electrode holder. And here's the one and only fuse. There we go, a fusible link. So there's basically nothing to go wrong. That's why they last for so bloody long. And for only 20 bucks or so, why the hell wouldn't you try welding? I'm sure there are plenty of garage sales around where you guys live. And if you want to just get into this hobby, it's really, really cool, eh? You don't have to continue with something like this. But if you have something like this to start off with, you don't spend a lot of money, and then you know whether you like welding or not, and then you can carry on from there. Well, that's what I think so anyway. But I'm a really cheap old fart, so I don't know. But can we actually weld some shit together with it? Somebody cut my bloody crescent in half. If I ever find out who it is, I'm gonna kill him. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Can you hear it buzzing? Hee-hee. rid of that. Did it actually bloody weld? There we go. Told you I could stick shit together with an old machine. Let's do the other side. What do you reckon? I reckon that's pretty cool for a 50-year-old machine. Put in the comments below if you guys have brought any cheap welders at garage sales or yard sales or anything like that. Oh, that's hot. See how I get that carried away, guys? See how I get that carried away? Took my gloves off, I thought, yeah, we've done the job. Awesome. And then I go and friggin' burn myself. Well, that's a bit friggin' hot, Pete. Oh, see that? Woo-hoo-wee. Woo-wee. One reconditioned Crescent. Yeah. So, $20 machine, $10 for some welding rods, $15 for an auto darkening helmet. So how much is that? 20, 35, 45 bucks. Is that right? 45 bucks and we've got ourselves welding. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get something and put on that burn. I might actually just have a few more beers and we'll see you next time, eh? Bye.
Pete'sTools.com